That was big. It sounds like it's up in the air, but, damn. What the fuck is that? Oh my god, I'm about to fucking cry. Oh shit. I hear this, and I'm like the only one that hears this, and it's fucking scaring me. It's like up in the sky, but there's like no airplanes. At first, I was like, I thought it was a metro because it was like don 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 don. But it's going on for too long. And now it sounds like fucking banging, like boom 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 boom. And the wind is not even blowing when the sound occurs. Well, sometimes. But... Oh my. Silence. Now. Oh my fuck. What the fuck is that noise? I'm gonna flip a shit. I'm gonna absolutely flip a shit. You will see stuff in this year that you haven't seen or heard before. I don't fucking like it. I don't fucking like this. I don't fucking like this at all. Okay, you can hear the wind blowing now. But you can tell the wind is blowing. My window's open, by the way. No sound. It bothers me. It wakes me up at night. I listen for it every night, and I said to myself, next time I hear it, I'm gonna get up and record it. So fuck, here I am. Oh, it's quiet now. See, this is what it's like when a normal night. Nothing. And then, out of nowhere, it's like boom, 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 boom. Oh, shit, it's gone. No, it's not. No, it's not. Yeah, I fucking hear it. I fucking hear it again. Off in the distance. It's kind of chilly. Strikey. It usually starts at... It's 101 right now. 101. You can't really see that. 101. And it's a fucking scary noise. But there's nothing. Nothing up. Yeah. There's nothing. Oh my god, it's gone. I don't hear it anymore. What the hell's going on? Sounds like an airplane up in the air now, but... Oh. Oh, fuck, a dog. Oh, fuck. Hey, sir. I believe that there is something going on near my house or around my house area, and to tell you the truth, I don't like it. It's scary. So me and Striker. Really? Poochie, Mama. Yeah. We're gonna go to bed now. Or at least try. Happy noises. Damn, I'm so fucking scared. What the fuck is that? Did I just hear it again?